Yes, Your Honor. Good afternoon, Your Honor. This is the case number IT-0258I. The prosecutor of the tribunal against Ljubisa Beara.
Your Honor, microphone, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. My name is Peter McCloskey, and today with me are Lisa Lotte Carlson and Salvador Viada.
Thank you, Mr. McCloskey. And for the defense?
Good afternoon, Your Honor. My name is Gregor Guy Smith, and I am appearing on behalf of Mr. Beara.
Thank you, Mr. Guy Smith. Now, your client has received a copy of this indictment.
He has, Your Honor.
And it contains 6 charges of which he is fully aware.
He is, Your Honor.
Is it your intention to tender any plea today in relation to any of these charges?
It is not.
It follows, therefore, that arrangements will require to be made for an occasion when plea can be tendered within the next 30 days.
One would hope.
Can you give me some indication of when you're likely to be in a position to tender a plea?
I believe that we may be in a position to tender a plea somewhere within the next 2 weeks.
One possibility is simply to continue this initial appearance for as near the maximum period as possible to avoid any difficulty, so say 4 weeks, or would you rather it was continued until an earlier date than that?
I believe that if we could continue it for the latter period of time, meaning closer to 4 weeks, that would be preferable.
Right. Now, Mr. McCloskey, if that is the arrangement and the case is appointed to call again on the 9th of November, that would be 4 weeks from today, at the same time in the day, would that cause any difficulty for you?
No, Your Honor. The only thing that I would request is that when Mr. Beara has decided finally and firmly on his legal counsel, that we be informed, because we do have the confirmation materials, though I've found that it's best to provide them to the actual lawyer that is going to take the case, because otherwise they tend to get sometimes caught in betwixt and between.
Mr. Guy Smith, can you help at all on that question, when that's likely to be clear?
Unfortunately, I can't at this moment. I wish that I could, which is part of the reason that I'm asking for as much time as possible.
Thank you. Now, Mr. Beara, you've heard all that's been exchanged between myself and counsel, I take it. And I take it you understand that the case will be calling again in the tribunal on the 9th of November. Do you understand that?
Yes, I understand that.
You will be required, in terms of the rules, to tender a plea of guilty or not guilty to the various charges against you. Do you understand that?
Yes, I understand that.
Now, does either counsel wish to raise any other matter with me?
No, Your Honor.
None at this time, Your Honor.
Thank you. Mr. Boas.
I wished to ask His Honour whether I can put another question, please.
What is your question, Mr. Beara?
Microphone for Your Honor.
Nije pitanje, časni.
It is not really a question, Your Honor. I wish to say something. All of those who will see this or hear this or whatever, my comrades at arms who are now accused and who are fugitives, I wish to send a message to them that they voluntarily surrender as soon as possible to get the stone that is around the neck of our nation off our country. That is what I wish to say to all. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Beara.
Microphone, Your Honor, please.
Microphone, please.
Please.
The case will call again on the 9th of November, on which occasion, Mr. Beara, you will be expected to tender your plea. Thank you.